Good morning. I'm going to walk you through our last lesson for Chapter 3. Tomorrow we'll start our review, and Monday we'll finish our review, and then Tuesday before Thanksgiving, we'll go ahead and take our third math test this year. So today's main essential question, how are number sentences used to show addition and subtraction situations? So we're just going to do a couple problems. And I really encourage everyone to watch the Math on the Spot video today, even if you watch it twice. I think Professor Berger does a great job of walking you through one of these types of problems. So let's start with this one. And our main job right now is we want to be able to write a number sentence that represents what's going on in this story. And a key thing that we're going to do, and I'm going to circle this for you right now, is we're going to use one of these. We're going to use a box to show what information is missing and what we're trying to actually find out through this problem. So let me start by reading it. A number sentence can be used to show a problem. There were some girls and 4 boys on the playground. There were 9 children in all. How many girls were on the playground? So let's kind of unpack this a little bit. I'll get my pencil. How many girls were on the playground? So that's the part that we really don't know. So let's go ahead and let's put this right at the beginning. We're not sure how many girls. And then let's go back and read through the sentence. We know there were some girls, we're just not sure how many, and 4 boys, and 9 children in all. So we would have to add the boys to the girls to find out how many children in all. And if you look at the problem, you know how many children in all because it says it right here, 9. So the problem would be blank plus 4 equals 9. And you have to think what plus 4 would be 9. And there's several strategies. Some of you might know that in a snap just because you know your facts so well. Other people may have to count up from 4 to 9 or count back 4 stops to find out this number. Start with 9, count back 4. I'm pretty quick at my facts. I know this one. I'm going to change my pen color. Is 5 plus 4 equals 9. And so the missing information is the number of girls. So 5 is how many girls were on the playground. And when you do this work, when you're showing your work, either in your workbook or on your dry erase board, this box has to be put in the first sentence that you do. That's important because it will be on the test. All right, let's try another one. All right, so we're going to write a number sentence for this problem. And again, we're going to use a box for the missing number. I like to say blank when I read it. And then we're going to solve it. I'll start by reading it to you. There were 14 ants on the sidewalk. Then 6 ants went into the grass. How many ants are still on the sidewalk? All right, so again, there's lots of information here. We know that there were 14 ants on the sidewalk. So that's kind of like the total. Then 6 ants went into the grass. How many are still on the sidewalk? So the part we don't know is we're not sure how many are still there. But we know 6 went into the grass. So this sounds like a subtraction problem because some of the ants went away. So we had 14 ants in all. And if I take away the 6 that went into the grass, I'll know how many are still on the sidewalk. So I would read this, 14 minus 6 equals blank. 14, take away 6. And again, lots of strategies here. I'm going to use a counting back strategy. I'm going to put 14 in my head and then count back 6 times. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. So I know that 8 ants are still on the sidewalk. All right, good luck on today's math. Have fun with it. And don't forget to watch the Math on the Spot video. It's at the end of the slides. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. How do you stop these videos? I can never remember how to stop these videos. Whoa.